Welcome to the Higher Table Podcast. Guys, hey, let me get it straight to it. Mkhadzi decided to drop Ghanama Isida Budada. Damn. And she always drop hit songs. She always hit yo. This one, I don't know. It's just trash. Let's just. I'm not happy with the song. I don't like the song. Is just not. Does not have that thing. No. I don't know what you think, guys. You guys tell me. Would you buy the first Ghanama or would you buy the new Ghanama? Because this one of Mkhadzi and Prince benza, like, yo, the recorded verse and the recorded beats, nope. I'm not gonna listen to this. I tried, guys. I tried to listen to it, but no. No. So like she said earlier on, like a week ago, I think, when she said Monada must just remove her verse, focus on all that. She went in. She didn't even remove it. She just went and re-recorded the whole thing. Benza remade the beat. Like, but because this one, nope. Yeah. Disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, I know die-hard fans and those one who worship her and all that, like she can say jump like Mufunzi actually noni petrolo lani hatsi, that meaning you'll do. You're gonna tell me where to get off. But go. This Ghanama, no. Monada should just release the official song. Yeah, once and for all. He must just release the official song. This one, nope. Yo. Guys, but yeah, I on the ayo. I'm just telling you that. You can comment with your honest opinion. You can tell us what you think. But I'm really disappointed in this song.